Top 3 reasons green card marriage cases are getting denied in the United States. All right, these are the red flags, the things that are causing people's cases to get denied. Either it's happening, they don't know how to explain it, or it's something that they simply can't basically address at their interview. All right, the number one reason is people are not living together and spending time together. All right. I'll give you an example. Clients who are in New York and their spouses are in California or in another state like Maryland or anywhere else in Virginia, it's a major problem if you're going to be living apart, because you can't say that you're married, but you're living apart. What's your rationale? Are you actually spending time going back and forth to make sure you are living and showing to the world that you're in a real relationship, all right? The reason why is that USCIS, that's U.S. Immigration, sees that as cohabitation requirement. They require that people actually live together after marriage, all right? Now, it's different when people are overseas, but if you're in the United States, they're going to say, you're not living together? That doesn't make any sense. Why would you be living separate and apart? What's your situation? There are exceptions. I've got clients in the military, I've got truck drivers, I've got other people that are living apart for those reasons, but you better have good explanations, because otherwise it's a red flag to get your case tonight. The number 2 reason is not enough financial evidence together, all right? You can't just make one bank account and then, hey, look, that's all I've got, and a bunch of photos, because the photos themselves, may not be enough to overcome what they require as financial assets and joint assets being together. And they consider it a commingling of your life resources together. So you're going to need more than a bank statement. You're going to maybe need, a couple of like credit cards together. You're going to need some like insurance policies together, health insurance, car insurance, renter's insurance, all those things, financial ties together. That's really critical. You can't just make an empty bank account and do nothing with it, and that's not going to get your case. So that could be a major red flag, all right? The number 3rd reason, it's kind of obvious, but you would be surprised how many people make this mistake. If you were previously divorced, please make sure that your divorce is properly terminated, you've got all the correct paperwork, and that you have the authority to get married. I have seen so many people from different countries, Pakistan, Nigeria, wherever, Egypt, and they come to me and they're like, oh, I'm going to marry somebody else, but I didn't get divorced yet, or it's in the process. Don't do it, guys. Make sure you avoid those flags. Thank you.